So that's whoa, knocked it away. The O-ring in there. See how nasty that is? It's a hard little piece of shit. But it's not even really sticking out. I mean, it's supposed to be like that. That one's really bad on the Jake brake. So working on his Jakes here, when I pull this solenoid out, there's 3 O-rings on it. There's one way up at the seal there. Let me get a tool and show you. There's one right there that's hard as a rock. There's one right here that's hard as a rock, and then the third one is inside the hole still. You have to pick it out of there, but it's way down there in the bottom. And they're crispy critters. That one, it probably it just broke in half again in my fingers, but I don't know if you can hear by the sound. That's not how an O-ring's supposed to sound. It's supposed to be rubber. So it's real shitty. So I'll replace it with the 3 new O-rings that I've got in the kit here, and then we're replacing the springs. And we just got the one side to work, so finish this other side. Oh, and then the little rubber O-rings, which I just showed a video of too. So replacing this, you got to hold this down when you take this screw out of here, the valve, the control valve, and the control valve spring, because it's spring loaded in there. I'm trying to see if I can do this with one hand without flinging it everywhere. There we go. So we're replacing this spring, and then getting in the control body. Valve. So we'll get a new one of those, and a new spring, and all that stuff comes in the kit.